Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Kill Sound ID. First, let's understand the requirements for audio files. Roblox typically supports MP3 or OGG formats, and sounds should generally be under 7 minutes long for optimal performance. Prepare your chosen sound effect, making sure it's suitable and not too loud or jarring. Then, head over to the Roblox Creator dashboard to start uploading your audio. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Once you're in the Creator dashboard, locate the Audio section. This is where all your sound assets will reside. Click on the Upload Asset button and select your prepared sound file from your computer. After uploading, you'll need to configure its details. Give your sound a clear name, a brief description, and categorize its genre. This helps with organization and ensures others can find and understand your sound's purpose. After your sound has been successfully uploaded and processed, it will appear within your audio assets list. Click on the sound to open its dedicated details page. Here, you'll find all the information about your uploaded audio. The most important piece of information for our purpose is the unique numerical ID. This ID is usually visible in the URL of the page or directly within the asset details. Copy this ID carefully, as it's essential for implementation. With your unique sound ID in hand, the next step is to implement it within your Roblox game. You'll typically use a script to play the sound when a specific event occurs, such as a player being eliminated. Utilize Roblox's sound service or an audio instance, setting its sound ID property to your captivate ID. Remember to test your game extensively to confirm the kill sound plays exactly as intended, ensuring a polished and engaging player experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.